Good morning, everyone. We have here how to keep your flowers alive. Yan, ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Okay, number 1. Use warm water. Place flowers in warm water as soon as possible. Once the stems of flowers have been cut, you have to remove their life support system. So, kailangan ilagay muna daw sa warm water. So, yan siya. Okay, next, number 2. Fill a plastic bucket 1/3 to 1/2 full with warm water. Warm water should be used as flowers take up warm water more readily than cold. So, madali siyang makarecover pag nasa hot water kaysa cold water ang ilagay mo direkta. Yan siya. Bucket nilagyan ng warm water. Number 3. Take the bucket of water into the garden with you. Use a sharp pair of secateurs and cut the flower stems on an angle. A slanted cut allows a better intake. Cut allows better intake of water. Remove all foliage from the lower portion of the stems, which should stand under the water line. Place the flowers immediately in the water. Okay, so yan siya. I-cut niya ang ibang mga stem. Next, number 4. Avoid overcrowding flowers. Allow enough air to circulate between each flower. Too many flowers crowded together in a bucket may cause the petals to become squashed and bruised. Place the bucket in a cool, dark place and allow the flowers to have a long drink before being arranged. When picking short-stemmed flowers, use a smaller container. Ayan siya. Okay, next. Number 5. Allow flowers to have a good drink for 4 to 5 hours, preferably overnight, before arranging. This step is called conditioning. It allows the stems to fill up with water and the flowers will become crisp. These flowers will last twice as long as those that have not been conditioned properly. Ayan na siya. Next. Number 6. Use a flower preservative to destroy bacteria in the water. Flower preservatives are available in garden centers or supermarkets. Another alternative is to use a cup full of household bleach in the water. If a preservative is not used, the water needs to be changed and the steams cut on an angle daily. So, kung wala preservatives, kailangan everyday iputol mo siya ang iyang steam, yung nadiin sa tubig, putulan mo. Pag wala kay preservatives, pag meron, pwede na hindi putulan. Next. Okay, so those are how to keep your flowers alive, will stay longer. Thank you for watching. Follow and share. God bless.